Now we're going to continue by watching this video.
Tommy built his towers tall, at times it took 2 hours. When Tiny Timmy toddled by, he toppled Tommy's towers. Peg wore tap shoes when he danced. Tara wore pink toe shoes. Ted tapped in top hat and tuxedo. Tara wore two tutus. Top to top to top, top to top to tea. Join with me and shout whoopee. Top,
People are joining, that's why it's pausing.
top, top, top to top to tea. For that totally terrific letter T. Tony tooted on his tuba. Oompa, 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 pa. Tyrone sang Tony's top 10 tunes. Tra la 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 la. Troy has a tarantula, and Terry has a turtle. Tina's toucan's name is Tex. Her tadpole's name is Myrtle. Top to top to top, top to top to tea. Join with me and shout whoopee. Top to top to top, top to top to tea. For that totally terrific letter T. Tickle, tackle, tinsel, tassel, tooth and tic-tac-toe. Tapioca, tic-tac-toe are keywords that you know. Tulip, turkey, teeth and taffy, tick-tock, time and toy. Tomato, table, tip and top are keywords to enjoy. Woo! Top to top to top, top to top to tea. Join with me and shout whoopee. Top to top to top, top to top to tea. For that totally terrific letter T. It's that totally terrific letter T.
So who can guess what our new letter for this week is? It's the letter T. Letter T sounds Say it with me. Letter T sounds Bravo. T sounds T. Bravo. Bravo يا علوش. I think it's Let's look. Listen to me. Someone is not on mute.
من عاود قال لك روحي.
Okay. Now we're going to watch a video. Who's unmuting themselves? Okay, now we're going to watch a video about how we write the letter T, the lowercase t.
T skydives down, then a toucan tosses a tomato.
It's very easy to write the letter T, and I know that you all can do it. Let's try. I will write it for you, and I want you to try practicing writing the letter T, and you can send it to me, okay? To write letter T, we draw a vertical line and a short horizontal line. a vertical line, and a short horizontal line. This is how we draw it between the lines. We have two lines and we have the dotted lines. We don't start from here. We started just below the top line, a vertical line all the way to the bottom line, and a short horizontal line on the dotted lines. I will draw it with another color so that it's more clear. We started just below the dotted line, the top line, a vertical line to the bottom line, and a short horizontal line on the dotted line. That's how we write the letter T. I want you to practice it and send it to me on our group, KG2 Orange, okay? I want all your friends to see what you do. Let's see. Let's look at some words that begin with the T sound. I'm going to ask Rayan Hamoud to tell me what the first word is. Rayan Hamoud, are you with me? Table.
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 Excellent. The next word, I want Maya to tell me what the next word is.
Tomato.
Okay, thank you, Rayan. I will take Maya for the next word. Maya, what's this?
What's this?
This one.
Apple.
No.
Banadura.
No, this.
Maya, this one.
And animal.
Tiger. Tiger. Thank you, Yamaya. Hassan Isa, do you want to help me? What's this?
Tomato.
No, this one.
Tiger.
This one. It's a tongue. Tongue.
Tongue.
Excellent. Next, I'm going to take Ellen.
Turkey.
Bravo. Turkey. Good job, ya Ellen. Tia?
Truck.
Truck. Truck. Good job. And finally, Jad Hamedi. Jad? We use it to brush our teeth.
Yeah.
What is it called?
Toothbrush.
Toothbrush. Excellent. I'm going to say them one more time. Table. Tomato. Tiger. Tongue. Turkey. Truck. And toothbrush. You can practice saying them, and you can also send me a video if you want, okay? Now let's look at our new high frequency word. Our new high frequency word is the word and. And. Say it with me. And. I want to see you all saying and. And. Bravo. Let's read some sentences that have the high frequency word and.
Mama.
Hussein, do you want to help me read?
يا داري تحسن.
I like apples
and
and
what?
bananas.
bravo. I like apples and bananas. Excellent, يا حسونة. Who's gonna help me read the next sentence? Ali Yusuf.
I want to read.
Alushi, read for me.
I like
I
can
read
a book
and
book.
what?
Right.
Right. I can read and write. Excellent. Julia, do you want to read with me the next sentence?
يلا. يلا.
We can
Sing and
And شو
dance. We can sing and dance. Good job. Who will I take next? Hadi Salhab. Hadi.
يلا هادي.
Okay. I
نو هي شو هي؟ شو بنقول لها الفريكونسي هي؟
I
سي
a
dog.
dog.
and إيه؟
Cat.
Bravo. I see a dog and a cat. Bravo, KG2 students. Now this is the final part. Please, when you finish answering me, you can mute yourself again. Now for the final part of our lecture, we're going to blend. Let's blend. We remember that letter A sounds ah, 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 plus meh give us am, ah, meh, am. Jad, do you want to blend with me? What's this? Letter A sounds ah. Letter M sounds meh. What does it give us? Say it, Yashad. Am, bravo. Now what if we add our new sound? T. T plus am. Who knows what it gives us? Who can tell me? If you know, raise your hand. Am give us tam. Bravo. Am tam. Good job. This was our English lecture. Now I'm going to ask something, KG2 students. I want you all to practice writing the letter T, practice reading sentences with the high frequency word and to blend our new word tam, and you can send me the videos on our KG2 Orange WhatsApp group. And if I like it very much, I will put it on Facebook so that people can give you likes. Will you try? Jad, will you try blending and you will send me the video? I like I want you all to send me videos on the group, okay? I become so happy when you send me videos.
هن لأنهم بعدهم ما تمرنوا عليهم نزلوا
Yes.
جديدة.
It's okay. More practice.
حتى بعدنا ما طبقنا لهم إياهم. هلا اليوم حضروهم